watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, cold, wind, and snow, all big stories we'll be talking about over the next 48 hours. It's still 44 here at Battle Creek. Grand Rapids down to 39. But look at this, along the lakeshore at Grand Haven, it's already below freezing at 31. So in Grand Haven, things starting to ice up there, and that will be the case across the entire area here this evening. Storm Track Live, we still got some light rain off to the east and southeast of Grand Rapids. It is all light rain right now, nothing terribly heavy, and this will continue to exit. There is some very light snow falling on the lakeshore areas here. The radar not picking up very well, but you can see some more significant snow off to the west. We'll see if we can track that to the shoreline here, Holland, in about 2 hours, into the Grand Rapids area here in about 3 hours and 57 minutes. So again, as we go through the evening, you're going to be seeing rain change over to snow, and icy spots will develop on the roads. We have the snow advisory for the lakeshore counties, plus the next set of counties inland that includes Kalamazoo and Grand Rapids. We also have gale warnings out on Lake Michigan. You're going to be seeing snow here this evening. The winds are going to pick up. Temperature at 32 degrees and some icy spots developing on the road. Winds west to northwest at 15 to 25 miles an hour. Now, over the next 48 hours or so, here's how much snow we expect. Parts of Van Buren, Allegan, and Ottawa County especially could see 6 to 8 inches. We could easily see several inches of snow into Grand Rapids. And even in the eastern part of the state, well away from the lake, an inch or two is likely. That means all roads are going to be snow covered and slippery. Look at the cold air coming in. There's a 31 at Ludington and at Grand Haven, 36 at South Haven. You can see the warmer air off to the east, but as winds pick up out of the west, that cold air is going to pour on in, and that's going to really hang with us here much of the rest of this week. Winds at 20 miles an hour at Grand Rapids. I think these winds will hold up at least 15 to 25 miles an hour much of the night tonight. So a rather breezy night that kicks the wind chill temperatures down. A freeze up tonight, icy spots developing on the roads. We'll see rain showers change over to snow. And a very windy, cold day coming up tomorrow with snow and snow-covered roads to drive on. Here's the way it looks. As you can see, all the precipitation changes over to that blue color that indicates snow. This is not real heavy, but certainly enough to cause some slick spots, and that will start accumulating on the road, so beware of that. We're down to 29 or 30 here by midnight in Grand Rapids, and 20s off to the west of Grand Rapids. By 6 a.m., we're down to 19 degrees. It's going to be very cold for the kids heading out during the early morning period with the cold, the wind, and the snow, and temperatures are stuck at only around 19 or 20 degrees all day tomorrow. Much colder than it's been here over the past couple of days. The cold air sticking around here right through Saturday. Here's a look at your forecast. I think we'll be seeing temperatures fall down to 20 for a high tomorrow, 16 on Friday. Pretty much a steady snow throughout the period. More light snow expected over the weekend. And no more 40s, no more 50s as temperatures are back to their winter normals here in West Michigan.